The FloBLE was designed using Altium, a more powerful layout tool than what we could afford with the FloJack. It allows you to see both 2D and 3D renders of your design and includes several tools and shortcuts that make development go much faster. With extra real estate, we decided on a one-layer PCB design for FloBLE and included the NFC antenna as an onboard trace. This would virtually eliminate the quality issues we experienced with the FloJack's external antenna and drop the need for any ferrite material as well. To test it out, we included several antenna coils in our first protos. Unfortunately, none of these coils worked out in the end. We learned the antennas measured poor Q factors and that the batteries and other components were interfering with their projected fields. So we patched in FloJack antennas instead and used the PCBs for software development. This way we could move forward with porting our firmware to the 2540 and tweaking our iOS apps while fixing the hardware design. For our second proto design, we moved things around, placing a 35mm coil in the center of the PCB with 4mm keep out, and only populating components outside of that space. This kept things away from the antenna field and avoided having any traces route across coil boundaries. Having the batteries in a square orientation looked a little weird, but it made for a better product overall. We were happy to see some read distances of over 2 inches. Since range can vary based on tag size and quality, we hoped for the best with Badanamu's tags and their thick over molding. The Badanamu toys ended up performing really well, being picked up with graceful swipes across the FloBLE surface. The LED ring enabled a magical experience, making the interaction come alive. We're working with factories to get our design into production and out to our backers soon. As always, thank you for your support.